fruit pulp, breast milk into soap. Stop. Before you pour that breast milk or fruit pulp into your soap base, wait, what if your so-called natural soap turns into a science experiment that turns bad? Let's talk about why melt and pour soaps with fruit pulps and breast milks is just not what you think, and what could go horribly wrong with it. Hey soap crafters, welcome back to Craftiviti. Today we are diving into a quirky but a risky craft trend, making melt and pour soap using fruit pulp or breast milk. Sounds weird? That's because it is, and it's not in a good way. Let's break it down. Here are the results of the experiment that we made. We decided to make orange fruit pulp soap and also milk soap. Honestly, it looks pretty normal over here, but the smell is really bad. This soap was made around 4 days ago. The milk smell has turned sour and it just doesn't smell good. And we can know that the milk in here is already starting to spoil because it's not been saponified like the soap base is. That's because the ingredients is not suitable and it's not good for the melt and pours. It does not match with it. It may look pretty normal and regular on the video, but in real life, it smells really sour. Okay, let me explain to you. What is melt and pour soap? Melt and pour soaps is a pre-made base. Saponification is already done. You just melt, customize, and pour. Why does it matter? You can't add ingredients that need to saponify, like fruit or milk. There's just no chemical bonding happening. So fresh ingredients like milk or purees added later on will not integrate. They will just sit in the soap and just spoil. So what actually happens when you add fruit purees into your soap? Fruit purees, they contain water, sugar, and fiber. In these melt and pour soaps, those are raw additives and they are not saponified, so they'll easily spoil or cause molds. And you cannot use fresh milks or milk powder into your melt and pour soaps because these soaps are already saponified and the milk will just spoil. Let's just put it this way. Having your fruit pulps or breast milk into your melt and pour soaps is just like having mayonnaise on a birthday cake as a frosting. No. Let's talk about breast milk in your soaps. Yes, breast milk is still milk. The nutrients in the breast milk are often destroyed during the soap making, so it's definitely not worth it. Plus, it's a potential disease risk if it's not hygienically sourced. Malaysia Islamic authorities JAKIM also says that soap is treated like a cosmetic product and ingredients from humans, like breast milk, is not allowed. So what can you do if you really want to make fruit pulp or milk soap? We would recommend you to use a cold processed soap. The cold processed soap helps you to saponify raw ingredients like milk or fruit pulps, but it also requires precision and care. Or the second alternative that you can do is that you can add in dried fruit powders or dried botanicals like oatmeal or orange peel powder because these are much more stable for your melt and pours. Anyways, always do a patch test before you use it all over your skin. Melt and pours are very convenient these days. But adding fruit pulps or breast milks is a recipe for disaster. Spoilage, mold, texture issues, and in some cases, cultural or health concern. Before you start making a homemade recipe for your soap, make sure you do your research. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below what's the weirdest ingredient you've ever thought to put into your soap. See you in the next one!